Hello, my dear sweet soul. I don't have words to make you feel better, but I do have the arms to give you a tight hug, ears to listen to whatever you want to talk about. And I have a heart, my dear, a heart that's aching to see you again smile, to see you smile again. I wish dreams were like wishes, and wishes came true. Because in my dreams, I am always with you, my baby, my darling. I want to stare into your eyes and never look away. I want you to hold me in your arms and tells me it's okay, my dear. I want to kiss with a passion that only we can share. And when it all falls down, I want you to be there, my baby. With you, I lose myself. Without you, I find myself wanting to become lost again, my baby. You look great today. How did you know? How did I know? Because because you look great every day, my baby. You never lose. You never lose by loving. You always lose, my dear. You always lose by holding back in life, my dear. I believe that to truly love is the ultimate expression of the will to live. A heart that truly loves you, truly loves is forever young, my dear. My dear, my sweetheart. Thanks.